cancel extra hot forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold, guys. The market was just pushing higher yesterday, so as we expected. I hope maybe you can see that. So since we had this resistance here, after this breakout, the market was just shooting higher, and I already talked about this. If you did not see that, go check my previous video. Here was our entry yesterday, and this was our take profit, but I closed before that, so the profit was very nice, guys. So what's the overview for today? So at the moment the market is already high, guys, so let's just clear whatever. We just have to clear everything. So here we are on 4-hour time frame, so it means we have to draw our new lines which will make sense. Let's draw this one first. Make it double like that. Let's draw the other one here. This is our highest high, so we actually, this highest high can also act as a resistance. This is a 4-hour time frame, so you can see that okay, the market reached this area and bounced back, reached this area and bounced back, and reached that area and bounced back. So here again we see that the market is heading there. Actually we have like few pips until the market reaches this area, so there is possibility that the market can respect this area, push lower again, or maybe we can see some consolidation before maybe we see another breakout, you see. So what I expect today, I don't think maybe we will have some nice entries unless we see a small sell-off before, then we can say now we can buy, because we are still on a bullish momentum, or on a bullish uptrend, or sorry, on an uptrend. So let's use 2 hours and see if maybe we can get something. So you can just try to draw your trends line, because the market is trending. Let's try to do that, you see. So with that, it's going to help you to see where you should enter. It means you should wait for the market to sell off a little bit, then after that you do what? It's where you can say now I can buy. So look at the picture at the moment. The market was doing something like this, so it means for us to buy, what we do, we can wait for the market to reach this area before we can say now it's going to go up. Or there's still another strategy that we can use. It's like this. Since we see that, you see the market was creating something like this. Let me draw that again. You can see here. So after this consolidation, we saw a breakout, a retest, then we take that trade. So even here we can see something like that. We can wait for the market to reach this area before we can say the market will go higher. I think I explained this on my previous video. Go check them. You will see what will happen here. So mostly the market will just create something like this, play around like this, break, retest, go up, play around like that, break, retest, and push up like that. That is how uptrend is moving, you see. So it means you can just draw that and say maybe on 14,840 it's your next entry. Then sometimes don't expect the market to reach your support. You should have two strategies like that. So if the market doesn't come and reach your support, you still have another strategy which doesn't focus on the perfect resistance, but on the breakouts like this. So we expect the market to reach this area, then we can say we can have another buy, you see. So let's go a bit let's use for 2 hours again and see. So because here it shows that okay, the market is still heading higher, and there are still a few pips that we can get from this area, you see. So it means we just need to have a nice entry, then before we say the market is now pushing higher, you see. So let's go straight to NASDAQ. I hope for today you see we waiting for the market to reach this area, Actually, this is like a wedge. It means the market is like this at the moment. So for us to say maybe we need to sell this now, whatever, it means the market has to break this resistance here, sorry, support, before we can see the market is heading lower. Then from there, you still have your support here, or whatever the structure is going to happen, you will see what you can do, because the market will just present its structure to you. Then you will just see what you can do with your strategy. So yeah, I think the market is going to create something like this before it's going up. And if maybe it reaches the resistance, if it breaks the resistance, we will wait for a retest before we can say we're going to buy, you see. But if that doesn't happen, it means the market can just consolidate and we can see maybe another sell-off, because the market will be respecting this resistance, you see. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can expect there. But since US30 and NASDAQ, sometimes they positively correlated, sometimes you might find they are all overbought. So okay, I think I drawn this, maybe it's yesterday. So this is 4-hour time frame, guys. So here is the picture. We can even draw, I see here that there's sort of a resistance from this area. So let's do that. Okay, let me remove this. Was our entries and stuff, so we did kill US30, don't worry. Let's see. Okay, here we have a very nice structure. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame, but you can see that the market is actually creating something like that. That's why we drawn the support line here. So it means the market is still bullish. What do? We only look for what? For only bullish or buy or long positions only, you see. So let's see what's really happening. It seems like our market reached our support. Don't you see that? This is our support. So there's a possibility that the market, it can still push higher if this area is respected, because this is a support. So if it's respected, then we can see the market going higher. But just look at these candlesticks, guys. They were just consolidating. So we can see the market, after this, the market can just shoot higher or shoot lower. Why? We are also very close. Let's check that. We are very close to our resistance. So what you can do here is you can draw that support line here and draw that resistance line here. So and wait and see. So it means you can just wait for the market to reach, or you don't have to wait. You can just wait for a small bullish candlestick. Then when it pushes up, you can just hold that. If this area is broken, then we can say the market is going higher. But on the safer side, again, you can say once you draw your lines like this, to be sure, you can just wait for the market to break this area. Then you say on a retest, I'm going to buy that. You see, simple as that. So you don't have to complicate things actually, because you can see the market obviously respected this line. So it means, and remember, we are very close to our support. So it means there is a high chance that the market can just push higher, you see. So let's check on a different time frame and see if maybe there will be something. Yeah, I think the only thing that we're looking at here is also the resistance. The market is still far from the resistance. It means we can just grab some few pips before the market breaks this area, or before the market respects this area. So we don't know what will happen around here. So we just have to be careful when we trade, because this is a wedge. There is a possibility that the market can shoot lower or higher. So we just have to be on the right side. But for that to happen, it means we have to wait for the market to give us those structures that we want, you see. So yeah, let's go straight to gold and see what we can get from that. Gold, yesterday we just bought gold, then it decided to go lower. Okay, here we are. So This is for our time frame. I think you can just see whatever here. It's quite simple. We had this support and resistance, and it seems that like the market is on the support at the moment. Actually, it's a nice time to buy gold, guys. So if this already it seems like it's respected, it means we can just buy gold. Then if it doesn't break this area, then we're going to have some nice buy. So but let's use a bit smaller time frame and see what we can get. Even 1 hour is much better. So we are on an hour. You can see we are very close to our support. Sorry, yeah, we are very close to our support. So the market is actually playing around here. Maybe you can just throw your trend line like this, your resistance trend line, and see if this is broken. It's where you can say, now I'm about to buy. You see, because you don't just have to jump on the market, but I think this area is also respected. You can still buy, but just use as a very reasonable lot size. Don't risk that much. Apply your risk management, place your stop loss. Then if it goes against you, then you know that, okay, I'm not going to lose that much. Then if it goes in your favor, then you'll be also profiting. So today I think gold is going to, if it breaks this area, I hope it's going to push up. If not, it means it's going to consolidate here. Maybe we'll see a breakout on this support, you see. So if you want to talk to me, guys, check my description. You will find my contacts. If you want some, let me just show you something. Yeah, here is the good stuff, guys. You can join me for signals for NASDAQ, US30 and gold. One time fee, you just pay once, then you're done. Or you can just buy a system where you can just have your own signals, guys. This is my cell phone number. You can contact me here on WhatsApp or Telegram. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. Okay, this is my email or my PayPal. So the system works on MT4 platform, guys. Your PC MT4 platform. So it's not going to work on your smartphone. So you can get the system for only $50, guys. Or if you think maybe that is not enough, you can still join the VIP for only $25, which is still available until, let's say, until this weekend. So here you get like the likes of German 30, France 40, currency pairs, gold, all those good stuff, live trading, stuff like that. So thank you, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow. I hope you can have your nice trading. Yeah, you can just call it a day, guys. I hope you have some nice trading. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bye.